Part 3, prime numbers. Here we have 3 problems. 17. 2 prime numbers that differ by 2 are called twin primes. Find the sum of a pair of twin primes between 60 and 75. So, in this case, it's not too many numbers, there are only 16 numbers. So students, worst case, you can write them out. But remember, all even numbers you don't have to write, okay? Because even numbers are not prime numbers, except 2. So in this case, you would have 61, 63. 63 is divided by 3, so you don't have to write that one out. So 61, 63 is not there. 65 can be divided by 5, so 5 or 0, so those cannot be there. And 67, 69 can be divided by 3, is not there. So 71, 73, 75 can be divided by 5, so you don't have to write that one out. So these are the possible prime numbers within this range. So the only pair is these 2 that differ by 2. These are the twin primes. Then you find the sum of these 2 numbers. 18. Find the value of a positive integer x such that when 64 is taken away from it, the result is a square number. Or 25 is added to it, the result is also a square number. So x plus 64 equals to some squares, okay? This is minus 64. X plus 25 equals to another one. So if we subtract the 2 equations, because this here is a negative number, so we use this equation to minus the top one. So x minus x, they cancel. So 25 plus 64 equals to b squared minus a squared. Again, we use the property of b plus a multiply b minus a. 25 plus 64 is 89. b plus a, b minus a has to be factors for 89. 89, unfortunately, is a prime number, so there are only 2 factors, 1 and itself. So the bigger number has to equal to 89. The smaller number has to be equal to 1. b plus a is 89. b minus a is 1. Add the 2 equations up, left to left, right to right. 2b equals to 90. So b is 45. And then a is 44. 19. The sum of 2 prime numbers is 49. What is the sum of the reciprocals of the 2 prime numbers? Okay, here the trick is the sum of the 2 prime numbers is 49. So that has to be an even number plus an odd number. What even number is a prime number? That has to be 2. That's the only case, okay? So if the even number is 2, the other number has to be 47. So now you fix the 2 prime numbers. Now you need to find the sum of the reciprocals of the 2 prime numbers. Reciprocals of 2, reciprocals of 49. Find the sum of this. We'll leave for the students to figure this one out.